Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most exciting sports cars that enthusiasts have been waiting for. The 2026 Honda S2000. If Honda decides to bring back this legendary roadster, it could become one of the most exciting driver-focused cars of the modern era. In today's video, we'll explore its exterior design, interior engine, performance, technology, safety features, expected price, and everything else you need to know. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. The Honda S2000 has always been known for its lightweight body, sharp handling, and thrilling driving experience. Even years after production ended, it remains one of the most loved Japanese sports cars. Now, rumors and concept renders suggest that Honda could revive this iconic name with a modern design and advanced technology, while keeping the fun-to-drive character that made the original so special. At first glance, the 2026 Honda S2000 looks absolutely stunning. The low-slung body, long hood, short rear deck, and aggressive stance instantly remind you that this is a true sports car. Every line has been designed to improve both style and aerodynamics. The metallic olive paint shines beautifully under showroom lights, giving the car a premium and unique appearance. Moving to the front, the new S2000 features slim LED headlights with a sharp daytime running light signature. The redesigned grille is wider and more aggressive, helping improve airflow to the engine while giving the car a bold face. Large air intakes on both sides enhance cooling and add to the sporty appearance. The sculpted hood features aerodynamic character lines that make the car look fast, even while standing still. From the side, the Honda S2000 maintains its classic roadster proportions. The long hood and compact cabin create a timeless sports car silhouette. Smooth body lines flow from the front fenders to the rear, giving the car an elegant yet athletic look. Flush door handles, black side mirrors, and premium alloy wheels complete the sophisticated design. One of the highlights is the lightweight convertible roof. Whether you choose the soft top or a possible retractable hardtop version, driving with the roof down promises an unforgettable open-air experience. The rear of the car is just as impressive. Slim LED taillights stretch across the back, creating a modern appearance. The sporty rear diffuser, dual exhaust outlets, and integrated spoiler give the S2000 a performance-focused personality. Every angle of this car looks carefully designed to maximize style and aerodynamics. The alloy wheels are another standout feature. Honda is expected to offer stylish 19-inch lightweight alloy wheels with performance tires that provide excellent grip and handling. Large ventilated brake discs and red performance brake calipers further enhance both appearance and stopping power. Now let's step inside the cabin. Opening the door reveals a modern, driver-focused interior built with premium materials. Leather sports seats provide excellent comfort and support during spirited driving. Soft touch surfaces, contrast stitching, aluminum accents, and ambient lighting create a luxurious atmosphere while maintaining the sporty feel. The driver immediately notices the new multifunction steering wheel wrapped in premium leather. Behind it sits a fully digital instrument cluster that displays speed, RPM, navigation, driving modes, and performance information in crisp, high resolution. At the center of the dashboard is a large infotainment touchscreen supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation, music, smartphone connectivity, Bluetooth, voice commands, and vehicle settings are all easy to access through the intuitive interface. Honda is also expected to include wireless phone charging, multiple USB-C ports, premium Bose audio, automatic climate control, push-button start, keyless entry, and customizable ambient lighting. Despite being a compact sports car, the seats are expected to provide excellent comfort for long journeys. The driving position is low, sporty, and perfectly designed to give the driver maximum confidence behind the wheel. Behind the seats, practical storage compartments and a compact luggage area make weekend trips possible without sacrificing the sporty character. Now let's talk about what really matters, the engine. Although Honda has not officially confirmed specifications, many experts expect the 2026 Honda S2000 to feature a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 320 to 350 horsepower. Some rumors even suggest hybrid assistance for better efficiency and instant torque. Power is expected to be sent to the rear wheels, maintaining the classic S200 driving experience. Buyers may get the choice between a precise 6-speed manual transmission and a quick-shifting automatic gearbox. Performance is expected to be outstanding. The new S200 could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.5 seconds, while offering excellent balance through corners thanks to its lightweight construction and near-perfect weight distribution. Honda engineers are also expected to improve suspension tuning, steering response, and chassis rigidity, creating a car that's equally enjoyable on winding roads and racetracks. Fuel economy should also improve compared to older sports cars, thanks to modern engine technology, direct fuel injection, turbocharging, and improved aerodynamics. Safety has become a major priority for Honda, so the 2026 S2000 is expected to include Honda Sensing. This advanced suite may feature adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, braking system, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, parking sensors, a 360-degree camera, automatic emergency braking, and driver attention monitoring. These technologies help make everyday driving safer while preserving the excitement of a true sports car. Customization options are also expected to be extensive. Buyers may be able to choose multiple exterior colors, premium wheel designs, leather interior themes, carbon fiber trim packages, performance accessories, and optional aerodynamic kits. One of the biggest questions is the expected price. Although Honda has not officially announced pricing, industry experts predict the 2026 Honda S2000 could start at around $50,000, while higher performance trims with additional technology and premium features could reach $65,000, depending on options and market availability. If launched, the Honda S2000 will likely compete with cars such as the Mazda MX-5 Miata, Toyota GR Supra, Nissan Z, BMW Z4, Porsche 718 Boxster, and Ford Mustang. What makes the S2000 special is its focus on pure driving enjoyment. Instead of chasing massive horsepower numbers alone, Honda has always prioritized balance, lightweight engineering, precise steering, and driver engagement. That philosophy is exactly what enthusiasts hope returns with the 2026 model. Overall, the 2026 Honda S2000 looks like it could become one of the most exciting sports cars of the decade. With stunning styling, a premium interior, advanced technology, another icon. If Honda officially launches this incredible roadster, it will undoubtedly today's first look at the 2026 Honda S2000. Let us know in the comments what you think about this exciting sports car. Would you choose the new Honda S2000 over the Toyota GR Supra, Nissan Z, or Mazda MX-5 Miata? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews of the newest cars and motorcycles from around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.